He said, all right, keep your head up, y'all. Oh, dude, I didn't see. Oh, you're with him. Oh, my bad, my bad. Hey, how many people? Oh, yeah.
So I was running, and then I went over, so I felt good. I did it for like 2 weeks, got my mile down to like 1.5 minutes. So I felt good. And then I went home, went to see over in the morning, and like if I sat up straight or something like that, my whole right hip went numb. I had sciatica issues, but I didn't. It was never that bad. So about a month, I could fucking walk around.
No.
Yeah, I'm telling you. But it's my hip, right? I'm like, I have sciatica, and I'm not telling you. Yeah, it's all fucking. Yeah. So I tried to do some video set. I'm probably about to go in a minute. One of the stretches I know, like stretching my footwork a little bit. Definitely stretch like find my ass crack basically, and I can't find the stretch. You ever do that now? No. Just switch forward. Oh, yeah. So I do that, but for maybe because I'm not flexible enough yet, but it gets outside here really well, but inside, like right in the like next to my ass. That's where the pain is. Does that work? I can try it. This foot up. Yeah, right. As far as you can go. Just like that. Oh. Now you got it. Kicking with my foot instead of my shoe. When I first started doing kickboxing, I was so because I started out with shuttle climb, so I kicked like this and I was going to be those heavy ass running.
And then your ankle was just like, yeah.
So it's big toe.
Oh, ow, that's even worse.
That's how I got good. But it's my shins. Turn that fucking hip like a baseball player.
Yeah, whatever.
Yeah.
Just the way you are.
Yeah, I already feel like that big stuff was there. It's not.
Yeah. There you go. See, let's strength. Your elbows and knees lined up. Shoot off. Man. But also, man. Boom.
I'm an advocate.
Man.
Yeah, so when I was like, I broke my toe. Okay, you got to Yeah. Now let's see, brother. There you go, guys. He was with teeth on the ball. Just like a roundhouse.
Yeah.
You're not supposed to snap so you get right there. You
Yeah.
boom.
And same with the punch too. You're not, it's all
Push.
in.
It's more of a push.
Yeah.
Because think of if they step back, hyperextending your arm. That's your arm like that. As opposed, I mean, you're going to get how we just in. That's the back for it. Everything right tight to it. I've been practicing that like today. So
Coming in with that shoulder, bringing that shoulder up.
because this is the dip.
Yeah.
That
Yeah, well, it might, I still want you to bring it. You like shoot it up so that, yeah.
that's nice.
Head,